Pia Wurtzbach Johnsy, born September 24, 1989, formerly professionally known as Pia Romero, is a Filipino model, actress, and beauty queen best known for winning the title of Miss Universe 2015. Previously, Wurtzbach won Binibining Pilipinas in 2015. She became the first Filipina to win in 4 decades. Pia Wurtzbach was born in Stuttgart, Germany, to a German father and a Filipina mother, and has a sister. The family later moved to northern Mindanao region in the Philippines, first in Iligan City, then settled at Cagayan de Oro City, where she attended kindergarten at Kong Hua School and primary school at Corpus Christi School. Her parents separated when she was 11 years old, and she became the family's main source of income by modeling and acting. After being raised in the Philippines, she spent several years in England. She finished her secondary education at ABS-CBN Distance Learning Center in Quezon City, Metro Manila, and studied culinary arts at the Center for Asian Culinary Studies in San Juan, Metro Manila. Wurtzbach speaks fluent Cebuano, English, and Tagalog. She also speaks basic German, which she described as enough to get me a bratwurst. Wurtzbach is a professional model, actress, host, and TV personality. She began acting at age 4 under the stage name Pia Romero. Managed by ABS-CBN Corporation's talent agency, Star Magic, she was included on the Star Circle Batch 11. She appeared in films such as Kung Ako Na Lang Sana 2003, All My Life 2004, and All About Love 2006. She went on to become a stylist, makeup artist, and beauty writer for Philippine Daily Inquirer's Taboo section. Wurtzbach represented the Philippines in the 64th Miss Universe pageant and won on December 20, 2015 in Las Vegas, Nevada, US. At the National Costume Competition, Wurtzbach wore a white cap as terno with a matching fan and headpiece. The whole ensemble was designed by Filipino designer Albert Andrada. She wore a red sleeveless crepe de chine gown by Filipino designer Oliver Tolentino at the preliminary evening gown competition. At the end of the contest, host Steve Harvey mistakenly announced Miss Colombia Ariadna Gutierrez as the winner. However, after Gutierrez's crowning, Harvey returned to the stage and stated that he had misread the results and that Wurtzbach was the winner. Paulina Vega, Miss Universe 2014, then removed the crown from Gutierrez's head and placed it on Wurtzbach's head. Wurtzbach is the third Filipina Miss Universe title holder, following Gloria Diaz in 1969, Margie Moran in 1973, and was succeeded by Catriona Gray 3 years later. In addition, she is also the first biracial Filipina to win the Miss Universe title. On January 23, 2016, she arrived in the Philippines for a week-long homecoming celebration with visits to the cities of Manila, Makati, Pasay, and Quezon City. She also made courtesy calls to both houses of the Congress of the Philippines, the Senate of the Philippines, and the House of Representatives of the Philippines, as well as to the President of the Philippines at the Malacagang Palace. On January 30, 2017, Wurtzbach stated that she has signed a contract with WME, IMG's IMG Universe division, where she will continue to work with the Miss Universe organization as an HIV/AIDS awareness advocate after her reign. She was a guest judge on several episodes of Asia's Next Top Model 5th cycle. Wurtzbach is a practicing Roman Catholic and openly supports views contrary to the teachings of the Catholic Church, particularly the distribution of birth control via full implementation of the Philippines' reproductive health law and the recognition of LGBT rights in the Philippines. Wurtzbach is an advocate for gender equality. She declared her support for the LGBT community in light of the Orlando nightclub shooting in 2016. In 2018, she called on the Philippines Senate to pass the SOGIE Equality Bill. In 2017, Wurtzbach was named UNAIDS Goodwill Ambassador for Asia and the Pacific. In 2017, Wurtzbach tweeted that she intended to remain unmarried and child-free. However, in June 2020, she confirmed her relationship with Scottish entrepreneur Jeremy Jauncey. 2 years later, they announced their engagement. Her marriage on March 24, 2023, was only announced on May 5th. The venue of their wedding was held in North Island, Seychelles. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.